Tongare, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how we are going to wrap instrument using the envelope form or envelope design. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly do so. Remember to hit that like and notification bell. For any time we upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Now let us jump right into today's topic. Now we'll be dealing with, this is a meningotomy set. It is usually used during ENT procedure. You ensure you have this one indicator, you put it inside. Then you have this checklist. And then in our next video, we'll be discussing at least one set at a time and function of that set, where we usually use that set and the kind of procedure we use with that set. Yeah, we will tick our checklists. I had verified everything is here. You put our checklist inside. Remember, I told you when you are wrapping an instrument container, you use two wrapping materials. One is for sterility of the instruments, and the other one, it will protect the instrument from contamination from the environment. Yeah, the envelope design, you do it this way, like that. Do it this way. These are CSSD tutorials. Put it this way, you be just keen. It's a very, very easy design. You ensure whatever you're packing is presentable. You can see at least this one is very nice. It's very beautiful. It's at least presentable. Yeah. Though there are some places which they usually, instead of doing how I've done it, they will wrap it like this. It's still a design. You can do how I had done previously, and it will be the envelope design. This is the second wrapping. You repeat what we had done as before. This is our meningotomy set. You can see our set is very, very neat. It looks like a parcel. You will use this first tape. I had promised you in the previous video that I'll show you the tapes that we use. You use this first tape to fasten our instrument. See, it's very nice. Then you use our second tape. I hope my cameraman will zoom very well. You see there's a very big difference between these two tapes. Can you see them properly? You put this one, just a small piece, to show you that it will change its color when you sterilize it. Yeah. Now you will write the date which you have sterilized it. Different places with different policy. Like in our institution, we give it at least 7 days. After 7 days, we consider it expired. So the expiry date will count from today. You add 7 days. Yeah. Then you will write cycle number. Cycle number is a number you will derive from the machine, the steam sterilizing machine. It will give you something called the cycle number. In our case, it is 6472. Then ensure you have written what kind of set is this one. And in our case, we are using the meningotomy sets. Thank you. Adios.